dumpster rental service in Spring, Texas. At Chunk and Dump, we provide top-quality dumpster rental service in Spring, Texas, making waste disposal easy and stress-free. Whether you're tackling a home renovation or a large-scale construction job, we have the right dumpster for you. We offer same-day delivery and flexible rental periods to accommodate your project schedule. Our dumpsters are available in various sizes to ensure you get the right fit for your cleanup. Customer satisfaction is our priority, and we take pride in providing reliable and affordable dumpster rentals. We handle residential, commercial, and construction waste with efficiency and professionalism. Our rental process is straightforward, and we always provide transparent pricing with no hidden fees. We work hard to make waste management as convenient as possible for our customers in Spring, Texas. No matter how big or small your cleanup project is, we make waste removal easy and affordable. We also follow proper disposal guidelines to ensure your waste is handled responsibly and eco-friendly. Let us help you take the hassle out of junk removal. Choose your dumpster size and schedule delivery, and we'll handle the rest. For a trusted dumpster rental service in Spring, Texas, choose Chunk and Dump. Call us today at 936-290-3478 and easily schedule your rental.